Did you miss me? Hey guys, what's up? So, I've been gone for a while. I know. If I'm speaking low, it's because it's a little later in the day. Well, it's literally 9 p.m. And my son is in the other room and he's sleeping. So, but I've been gone for quite a bit. I know. Let's talk about it. Let's do our makeup. Let's eat some oatmeal. Yes, I'm eating oatmeal at freaking 9 p.m. I usually never eat this late. Like, the latest I'll eat is like 6 p.m. I know. But your girl was not hungry and busy, and it's 9 p.m. and here we are eating oatmeal. But, anyways, let's just jump in and grab your makeup, grab your food, grab whatever, and let's jump into this video. I've been testing out this foundation. It's not new at all. It's really old. It's new to me, but I really want to test it out. It's the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, the liquid version. Honestly, I am returning this. I freaking hate it. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm just going to be taking this LA Girl Keep It Playful eye palette. And this is the downplay one, I guess. It's this one. So yeah, the shades don't have names, so I'm just gonna be, I don't think I ever really say the names of any of the eye palettes, but so I'm just gonna be taking this one. By the way, I got my nails done. Cute, very long. I am definitely not used to nails like this. I never get them too long because I don't know how to act with long nails. Does that sound dumb? Probably, huh? Yeah, I never get long nails. I just feel like I can't do anything. I feel useless. The last time I posted a video, I believe, was like a month ago. Sorry, that was totally not intentional. I had recorded a video on how I contour my round face, and I was looking over the footage and I was editing it, and I was like, I don't like this video. And that happens to me quite a lot, I'm not gonna lie. I tend to just not like the content, and I don't know, I get like not bipolar, but I don't want to post something I don't absolutely love. You get me? Because then I'm just gonna want to delete it and take it down from my channel, and that's annoying. So I was just like, I'm not posting it. I'm not gonna even finish editing it. So I didn't. I'm gonna take this shade, kind of blend it on top of this one. Going more for a simple halo eye. But yeah, what's it called? I had recorded that video and I completely hated it, and I was just like, nope. And after that, I got super busy, and I don't know if it was in that video or in a previous video that I told you guys that I signed up for a 6-week weight loss challenge, and I had to lose 20, so it was pretty expensive, and I had to lose 20 pounds in 6 weeks in order to get my money back. And I officially completed it on Monday. You guys are seeing this video literally the next day after I filmed. So Friday, happy Friday. I'm just going to continue to work out, but from home, and continue eating healthy. Obviously, I'm not going to give myself as much restriction as I did, or as I had to with the camp. I'm saying a lot. That's kind of annoying, huh? Take this shade right here. Just apply it in the middle. I might top it off with this one. But yeah, we'll see. My diet basically consisted of kale salads every day, like literally kale, spinach. I would add cucumber every now and then. and chicken or ground turkey, and I am so fed up with chicken and ground turkey. We did have more options like fish, different type of fish, and like tuna. I don't like seafood at all. Like I can't even. But yeah, I just really don't. So all I did was chicken and turkey, and I'm freaking tired of it. I did do tofu for a couple of days. You're not supposed to if you're not vegetarian or anything, but a girl was tired of chicken and turkey. But yeah, guys, how have you been? How has your days been? How's work? How's school? You still in school? I know my best friend literally just graduated. My best friend, she's amazing. I couldn't get this friggin'. She literally just graduated last weekend, I believe, and props to her. She's amazing. She's the best. She deserves the best. And I am the best. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, she does. She deserves the best. She's worked so hard, stressed out so much over school. But she made it. She did that. Congrats to you, boo. So, I'm going to try out this foundation. I know I'm like obsessed with buying foundations. It's okay though. No pasa nada. I'm returning the other one, so I should get my money back. I'm going to be testing out this Frankie Rose foundation. Everyone talks about it. A bunch of YouTubers hype it up and everything. So, this is the Frankie Rose Cosmetics Matte Perfection Foundation. I have this shade Vintage. Have you guys been staring at my pimple over here? Probably have. Probably haven't. Miss Aunt Flo is here. We love the fact that she's here. But we don't love the pain and the extra visitors, you know? This foundation looks beautiful. You know what sucks about doing makeup at the night? You don't know how long I have. What is this? Is this like a piece of my sponge? Weird. But yeah, like it sucks because it's 9 p.m. I'm not going out anywhere. I'm staying home, and this makeup is probably coming off as soon as I'm done filming. Oh, by the way, this is a new sponge. This is not new, just new to me. I don't know if it's new. This is the Milani sponge. Pretty cute. And it comes in a pack of 2 with this baby one. I never know what to do with these. These just, I'm not going to throw it on the floor. I was about to, but I'm going to have to pick it up. So, not throwing it. I'm going in with concealer. This is that e.l.f. one. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to apologize for being gone for a while, for a month, literally not posting. I definitely do want to be consistent with my channel. I want to see it grow. I have been debating about buying a vlogging camera. The thing is, I don't do anything. Like, there's days where I'm super busy, and then there's days where I'm just like, what do I do? It would be a lot. If I were to do it, I think it'd be a lot of mommy content because, hello, I am mom. Do you guys like watching vlogs? I definitely don't. I'm not gonna lie. I've been heavily into mukbang videos. I don't know who I am. I usually never ever liked watching videos of people eating. I think that's so weird, but that's all I watch now. And of course, a couple of beauty influencers. Next, I'm going to take this LA Girl. I'm using LA Girl. Just 2 things. Calm down. LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I'm going to use it to bronze me up. I'm not going to put a lot because this thing is super pigmented. I personally... Do you guys remember, to all my girlies that I have on here and that used to watch beauty videos back in the day, Do y'all remember the hype about these, about the concealers? Oh my gosh, that was crazy. I'm just gonna take my loose translucent powder. I think this is from Wet n Wild. And just set my under eye and my face. I think the Frankie Rose Cosmetics has a very, oh yeah, it's dry. But girl, I am not one of those girls that can just leave without setting her foundation. Absolutely not. Any foundation would slip and slide on me. Swear, earlier when I tried to film this, I had so much to say, and then now it's like it's 9 p.m. and I'm like, I have like nothing to say. Oh, I do have something to say. Why did I get so excited? So I literally just placed a huge order. Well, not huge, but a pretty big order on Shein. I've only ordered from Shein this one other time, and I got like 2 dresses, some shoes, and like some other stuff. But this time around, I bought a couple of pants, a couple of shirts, a bit of shirts actually. If you guys would be interested in the video, let me know. I think I will do it because I'm pretty excited for the clothes I bought. I'm gonna be using this Milani Silky Matte Bronzer. I'm using the shade 02. I really need to buy a camera with the viewfinder because I was sitting here doing my makeup and everything, and then I went to go check the camera and it's dead. Why does this always happen to me? Anyways, I did my face makeup. I used the matte dark golden bronzer and a ColourPop Super Shock cheek matte blush in the shade She's in Bold. Well, I should open it. This one. And I quickly just applied some Ardell lashes and some lower lash eyeshadow, the same 2 shades I use on top, just on the bottom. Now I'm just going to do my lip. And for lip, I've been using the Coco. I'm back on my lip liner, the Coco and Kylie lip liner, and this Nude Sticks magnetic lip plush paints in the shade Waikiki Rose. Hey, well that's it for this video. It was kind of a fail because it didn't record anything of what I said, and I don't even remember what I said, but hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. And if you want to see more content, more makeup toots, make sure to follow me. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.